So the last topic in this section is a different function called the logistic function. And the logistic function, they all pretty much look the same. They look like this. So there's initial rapid growth, there's a point of inflection, and there's declining growth with a limiting value. So it's initially very rapid, and then there's an inflection point where it changes, and then it starts to decline, and then there's a limiting value, or a ceiling, and it won't get past that value. So this is the form for all logistic functions, and C is the carrying capacity. So whatever number's on top here, it's never going to get bigger than that. And the initial value of the model is this. And that really just comes from, if you put 0 in for x here, then this is what it will be equal to. So question number 4, it asks what is the initial value? That would be 1000 over 1 plus 999, which is 1000 over 1000, which is just 1. Evaluate f of 2. I need to plug 2 in for x here. So that's going to be 1000 divided by 1 plus, and I'm putting this denominator in parentheses, so it's very important that you do that. 999 e to the negative 0.01114 times 2. And rounding to 3 decimal places, I get 1.023. And then what is the carrying capacity? That would just be the 1000. So this function will never get bigger than 1000. So kind of a lot of interesting properties with the logistic function.